Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how fix the problem when your Google Play Store stuck on padding on your Lenovo Tab M8. In the first step we try install something from Google Play Store, maybe Apple Music. We tap to install, but we can't do that. We have connect with internet, but it's stuck on padding. To fix it, we must go back to main menu of our Lenovo, where we swipe up to application menu and go to the settings. In it, we scroll down and choose one of the last options, system, where we navigate to the date and time. In it, we must switch on first option, set time automatically. After that we can go back to our Google Play Store and try install Apple Music. When it isn't working, we must restart our Google Play Store like that and go back. And we try to install something like this. And it is working right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.